And it will come and I will never be the same. The setting sun upon me now can't go away. And every day I will to pray and soon to come. To any notion of that life I will become so numb. Every day, every day. All the same, it's too late. Yeah. The light will go and I will surely fall away. I'm all around without a tongue to even say, to leave me here against the ground where I must be. It isn't fun without those eyes must let it see or believe. My dismay, my dismay. Tell me why couldn't I choose sides? Yeah. And you will come and you will fall so far away. To all the world you will be lost in coming days. All I can muster up to say, I know it's true. Wherever you are, my love will find you and go through. When I have turned to wherever you are, my love will find you. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Earzl Dog Alarm Clock release party. It's so wonderful to see you all here.
Oh, DogMayor, that were a lovely song, wasn't it? Oh, it made me great, oh happy it did. Can we hear another? Please, please, DogMayor, can we hear another?
Yeah, Reginald, let's do another song. This next song is called Over Hill and Dale. Over hill and dale, as far as I will be able to tell, maybe that's where you'll dwell. Maybe it'll swell and make you go to some kind of hell that you don't want to. Over hill and dale, as far as I will be able to see, make me weary of all these woes. Maybe it's true, I don't need to be so. on. This next song is a hymn that my great-grandfather DogMayor used to sing to me every night before he put me to sleep. Acquae malero, davua dedizir, davua fedelamus et lucemon plaisir, quand il fore non se aduc in ubresse. Aqua in malero, davua ude dizir, davua fedemon et puscemon plaisir, quand il fore non se aduc in ubresse. On ne publie ne quinu charme, no verove ne pas come vodre tendresse. Juro qui put haïr, c'est qu'il a bien aimé. Juro qui put haïr, c'est qu'il a bien aimé. Got two more.
DogMayor, DogMayor, DogMayor.
The people will survive in their environment. Yeah, water, scarcity, and the emptiness of our soul, the injustice of our greed. The practice we inherit, water, scarcity, and the emptiness of our soul. They're on the beach, yeah. I can see it in her eye. I only had a Corona, 5 centivale.
God blow me, DogMayor. This has been such a fun time, and it's been such a glee to be able to share with everyone on the internet. Do we have time for one more? Do we, DogMayor? Do we?
I think so, Reggie. What do you want to hear?
Let's see then. I want to hear Ogleby.
Let's do it. She sees through glass bottles unto shallow seas, where all her dogs are there running happily, free from the loneliness that swallowed their whole years, but the emptiness it left when she was near, smelling diamonds as she wades through broken glass, shred to pieces, but all she can do is laugh. Gave herself to them a sacrament of love. They're just bickering, laying in her blood. She sees through glass bottles where a child sang, speaking to a stone, casting shells and sand. Water the flowers, plastic as they are, the only barrier keeping them apart. Thanks for coming, everyone. I'll see you next time.